for mean, we are taking some of the examples. First example I am taking as a simple one. Find mean of 10, 12 and 14. Suppose three numbers are given and I am asked to find the mean. Now here mean will be, to find mean, the formula is of average, that is sum of all the numbers divided by number of observations. So 10 plus 12 plus 14. So three numbers are there, so with 3 I will divide. So 36 by 3. So my mean will be 12. Now let us learn mean using a simple sum. That type of sums are asked. Now x will be given and f will be given. So here at the bottom I will be doing total. So this f I have to do total. So that is called summation fi. Summation fi means all the total of f. So this is coming as 200, and then we have to multiply fi xi. That means whatever value of f and whatever value of x we will be multiplying. So 40 into 20, so 800. Then 60 into 40, so that will be 2400. Then 60 into 30, so 1800. 80 into 50, so that will be 4000. And 100 into 20, so that will be 2000. Now we will be adding them also, which we call as sigma fi xi, that is summation of fi xi. So this is coming as 11,000. So now direct method says, the easiest method where values will be bigger but the calculation will be shortest. Mean x bar equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So that will be 11,000 upon 200. So 0 cut. So 55 will be my answer. So my mean came as 55. Now taking another example of group data. Group data means I will be given a class interval. Suppose 0 to 10 it is say 27, and then 10 to 20 it is 10, 20 to 30 it is 7, 5, 4 and 2. So if I add them all, so summation of fi will be 55. Now xi I have to find, but see, direct method, the formula was mean x bar equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. But I don't have xi now. So xi is nothing but midpoint of the class interval. So to find that I have to do like this: 0 plus 10, that is lower limit and upper limit I will add and divide by 2. So 10 by 2, so that will be 5. So I will write here 5. Then 10 plus 20 upon 2, so 30 by 2, so that will be 15. Now same way I can write 25, 35, 45, 55. Now fi xi if I do, I will get fi is 27 into 5, so 195. Then 10 into 15, so I will get 150. 7 into 25, so I get 175. 5 into 35, so 175. 45 into 4, that will be 180, and 55 twos will be 110. So this sum, that is sigma fi xi, summation will be coming as 925. So my mean x bar will be summation of fi xi upon summation fi. So that will come as 925 by 55. So that is 16.8. Now the second method to find assumed mean is assumed mean. So here also I am taking the same example, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. And the values also I am taking same, 27, 10, 7, 5, 4, 2. So naturally I will have the total also same as sigma fi will be equal to 55. Now again xi, the same method I will add and I will bring it to the central value. So I am taking that also as it is. Now here if you see the next step, one point is added, that is a. So here let me take this as assume mean. Assume mean means if I have to count like 3 and 3, 6 numbers are there, so the central value I can take. So either I can take the third value or I can take the fourth value, and it doesn't matter if I take fourth or third, answer will be same. Now here I have taken 35 as central value. So now it says di equal to xi minus a. So xi is 5 minus 35 is a. So that will be minus 30. Then 15 minus 35, so minus 20. Then 25 minus 35, so that is minus 10. 35 minus 35, so that will be 0. 45 minus 35, that is 10. And 55 minus 35, so that will be 20. Now the last column is fi di. So now I have to multiply di with fi. So here I will multiply 27 into minus 30. So that I am getting as minus 810. Same way minus 20 into 10. So I will get minus 200. Then the third one is minus 10 into 7. So minus 70. Then 0 into 5. So 0. Then 4 into 10. So 40. And 20 into 2. So 40. So if I do summation fi di, so I will get minus 1000, because here plus and minus both numbers are there, so I have to solve them. Now assume mean formula is assume mean x bar equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. So here we have taken 35 as assume mean and plus minus 1000 upon 55. See, again I am repeating, it doesn't matter if you take the third value or fourth value. If you have taken a bigger number, so automatically the answer will come minus and the final answer will be same. So this is coming as 35 minus 5 11s are 5 200s are. So I have to divide 200 by 11. So I will get 18.18. So if I subtract that from 35, I will get 16.818. So see, by the second method, that is assume mean, also the answer has came the same. Now the next method to find mean is step deviation method. Here also till di we will need the same. Now see, after di, once I got di, after that the formula written is ui equal to di upon h or xi minus a upon h. H is the difference between the interval, class interval. So 10 minus 0 will be 10. So here this will be minus 30 by 10, that is minus 3. Minus 20 by 10, that is minus 2. minus 10 by 10, so that will be minus 1, 0 by 10, so that will be 0, 10 by 10, that will be 1, and 20 by 10, so that will be 2. Now I have to do Fi Ui. So Fi 27 into minus 3, if I do, I will get minus 81. Same way 10 into minus, see 20 minus 20 upon 10 was minus 2. So here I will get minus 20, and then 7 into minus 1, so that will be minus 7, then 0 into 5, so that will be 0, 1 into 4, so that will be 4, 2 into 2, so that also will be 4. So now sigma FIUI will be equal to minus 100. See here, this method will be the easiest. You have to do more calculation, but at the end your answer will be very short. So it makes your answer smaller and easier to calculate. Now the step deviation mean formula is mean x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. So here a was my 35 plus minus 100 upon 55 into h was 10. So this will be 35 minus, no, this will be again minus 100 upon 55 into 10. So that will come as 18.181. So again if I subtract 35 from 35, this, see 35 minus 18.181, if I do, I will get 16.818. So by all the three ways I will get the same answer. Now next is median. So I am taking first a simplest sum, that is find median of 180, 140, 160, 120, 100. So first of all, always write that in ascending order. So if I write it in ascending order, so 100, 120, 140, 160 and 180. Now the central value I have to select. So 140 is my median. But this type of sum won't be asked to you in the exam, but to explain you what is median, I have shown you one simple example. Now let us have one example to show median. Now class interval f. So this will be two things will be given to you, 0, 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20 and 20 to 25. Now f. So 4, 3, 6, 5 and 2. So if I add it, sigma fi, which is here called as n. So n will be equal to 20. Now the formula says, see first let me write the formula so that you understand how you will find median. Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. Now see here L I don't know, so L is the lower limit of median class. Then n is total observation divided by 2, so that will be n by 2. Then Cf is cumulative frequency. LH is difference in class intervals. So here now let us understand first CF. CF how you will find? You will write CF. Now the first value you will write 0 to 5, it is given as 4. So 4. Now in the next step I will do 4 plus 3. That means the next observation I will be adding into that. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 7 plus 6, so that will be 13. Now 13 plus 5, so that will be 18. And 18 plus 2, 20. Now be careful, the last value of the CF should come as n. So that means my calculation is right. Now you have to check CF. CF I need to find CF, you have to take what is the n by 2 value. So n by 2 is 20 by 2. I will get 10. So now see, near to 10 there are two values, but always the bigger one will be the median class. So this is my median class. So now I will get all the values from here. See, now my L will be the lower limit of the median class. So median class is 10 to 15. So 10 will be my L. H will be 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10. So that will be 5. Now CF. CF will be one value above than median class. So this will be my CF. So 7 is my CF. And F will be the frequency of the median class. So that will be 6. And n by 2 will be 20 by 2. So that will be 10. So that already we have done. Now if I find the using formula, if I find the median equal to L. So see, L is 10 plus n by 2. So n by 2 means 20 by 2 minus CF. CF is 7 upon F. So 6 into 5. So if I solve this, 10 plus 10 minus 7 will be 3. 3 by 6 into 5. So 1s are 2s are. So this will be 10 plus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means it will be 2.5. So my median will be 12.5. Now next and the last topic of the introduction is mode. Mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower frequency of model class, F1 will be frequency of model class, that means maximum frequency. F0 will be frequency above model class, F2 will be frequency below model class, H will be difference in model class. So now let us take one example and understand mode. So see, class interval and F will be given to me here. So 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. And the values given to me are 4, 8, 6, 7 and 5. So see, how I will find the model class? I will select the maximum value. So maximum value is 8. So this will be my model class. So maximum value class will be model class. Now F1 was the frequency of model class. So 8 is F1, 6 will be F2 and 4 will be F0. Now L will be the lower limit. So L equal to 20, F1 equal to 8, F0 equal to 4, F2 equal to 6 and H will be 40 minus 20. So that is 20. So now let me use the formula mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L is here 20 plus F1 is 8 minus 4 upon 2 into 8 minus 4 minus 6 into 20. So now this will, if I solve this, 8 minus 4 will be 4 upon 16 minus 10 into 20. So this will come as 20 plus 4 upon 6 into 20. So if I cut 4, 2 2s are and 2 3s are. So this becomes 20 plus 40 by 3. So if I divide 40 by 3, so I will get 13.33. So my mode will be 33.33. Oh sorry, 38.33. Now also remember one more formula. Also remember, when mode, mean and median all three are asked, we can use the formula 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean. That means even if suppose I know mean and mode, I can put the value in this and I can find the median. Now, exercise 13.1, the first question says a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. And which method did you use for finding the mean and why? So, now to do that sum, first of all I will need to make the table. So let us make the table. So class interval, then f. These two things are given to me. So 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, and 12 to 14 plants are there. So now, so 0 to 2 it is 1, then 2 to 4 it is 2, then 1, 5, 8, 2, 3. So if I find the total of all, it should come as 20. Now the problem is I don't know xi. So to find xi, I will be adding both the limits, lower limit and upper limit, and divide by 2. So 0 plus 2, see like this I will do. 0 plus 2 divide by 2. Answer will be 1. Same way, here I will have 2 plus 4, 6. So divide by 2, 3. 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. Now if I use the first way, that is FIXI, direct way, so it will be easy for me because the multiplication are smaller. So 1 1s are 1, 2 3s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 7 5s are 35, 8 9s are 54, 2 11s are 22, and 3 13s are 39. So if I do here sigma FIXI, I am getting as 162. So he has asked me to find mean. So mean by direct method, that is x bar equal to sigma FIXI upon sigma FI. So that will be 162 by 20. So that is coming as 2.1. The reason here is as numbers are smaller, counting is easy. That's why I have used the direct method. Now question 2 says consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. So if you see carefully, the values are little big, that is 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. So I would prefer to use the I would prefer to use the step deviation method. Now let us solve it. So class interval, so 500 to 520, 520 to 540, 520 to 540, then 540 to 560, 560 to 580. Now to solve this sum I will be using the step deviation method, and let us write down all the information which we know. Class interval, so 580 to 600 it is given, then Fi is 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10, and total it will be sigma Fi, that will be 50. Now Xi, so 500 plus 520 divided by 2, so that will come as 510. 520 plus 40 divided by 2, so that will come as 530. Then this will be 550, difference is 20. See, so 570, 590. Now di equal to xi minus a. So I will need to select one value, so let me select the central value only as a. So 510 minus 550, so that will be minus 40. 530 minus 550, so that will be minus 20. Then 550 minus 550 will be 0. Then 570 minus 550, so that will be 20, and 590 minus 550 will be 40. Now, so next step is ui, that is either I can say xi minus a upon h, or I can say di upon h. So see, h is the difference of the class interval, so 520 minus 500, so 20. So if I do minus 40 by 20, so I will get 2, that is minus 2. Then same way here I will get minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now I have to do Fi ui. So 12 into minus 2 will be minus 24, minus 14, 0, 6 and 20. 6 and 20. So now I have to add sigma Fi ui. So here advantage of this method is that we will have smaller totals, so it will be easy for us to divide. Now see, mean, here the formula is a plus sigma Fi ui upon sigma Fi into h. So a we have taken as 550 plus sigma Fi ui came as minus 12 upon 50 into 20. So 0, 0 cancel. So this became my 550 minus 12 into 2 by 5. So 24 divided by 2 if I do, so that is coming as 4.8. So my actual answer will be 545.2. Now third question says the following distribution show the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency. Now here we want to find the unknown f. So for that I will be using the step deviation method obviously. So first let me do class interval, then f. So class interval is 11 to 13, value is 7, 13 to 15, so value is 6, 15 to 17, so value is 9, 17 to 19, value is 13, 19 to 21, f, 21 to 23, 5, 23 to 25. So value is 4. Now xi, so 11 plus 13 will be 24, so 12. 15 plus 13, 28 divided by 2 means 14. So same way 16, 18, 20, 22. I will have 21 plus 23 divided by 2. So 21 plus 23 will be 44 divided by 2 will be 22 and 24. So if I do sigma fi xi, sigma fi, I will have 44 plus f. Now di I am finding, so that will be xi minus a. Now let me select one a, so I am selecting 18 as a. So 12 minus 18 will be minus 6. 14 minus 18 will be minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6. Now ui equal to di by h. So minus 6 by 2 will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now fi ui, so 7 into minus 3 will be minus 21. Same way minus 12, minus 9, 0. Now f into 1 will be f, 10, 12. Now I will add sigma fi ui also. So I am getting minus 20 plus f. So now mean is given, x bar is given as 18. So I am using the formula mean x bar equal. Now mean x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. So I am putting the values. 18 equal to a was 18 plus minus 20 plus f upon 44 plus f into 2. So if I take 18 on the left hand side, so 18 minus 18 equal to minus 20 plus f upon 44 plus f into 2. So 18 minus 18 will be 0 by 2 equal to 2 I have taken on the other side. So minus 20 plus f upon 44 plus f. Now 0 divided by 2 will be 0. So 0 into 44 plus f will be 0 equal to minus 20 plus f. So f will be equal to 20. So I got the value of f as 20. Fourth question says 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeat per minute for this woman choosing a suitable method. So here also I will prefer the step deviation method only because it will be easy for me. So class interval, that is 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83 and 83 to 86. Now FI given are 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4 and 2. So total sigma FI, total women which were examined were 30. Now XI, if I add these two and divide by 2, the lower limit and the upper limit, if I add and divide, I am getting 65, 66.5, 69.5, 72.5, 75.5, 78.5, 81.5 and 84.5. So A I want, so A I am taking as 75.5 A. Now di equal to xi minus a. So that I will be getting minus 6, minus 9, minus 6, minus 3, 0, 3, 6 and 9. Now ui equal to di by h. So if I divide with the gap of 3, I will get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then fi ui. So minus 3 into 2 will be minus 6, then minus 8, then minus 3, 0, 7, 8 and 6. So if I do sigma fi ui, I will get 4. So mean x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. So a is 75.5 plus sigma fi ui is 4 upon this is 30 into 3. So 3 ones are 3 tens are. So 4 divided by 10 is 0.4. So 75.5 plus 0.4. So that is 75.9. Now fifth question says, in a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contained varying numbers of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packaging box. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? So here again in this one, see, if you see the values are too high, so now here also I will be using the di method only. So first I am writing the class interval and fi. So once I have written the class interval and fi, but here I am facing one problem, that class interval is not in the continuous ratio. See, 50 to 52, then 53 is there. So what I will do, I will subtract from the lower limit 0.5 and in the upper limit I will add 0.5. So it will become 49.5 to 52.5. What I did, in 50 I subtracted 0.5. So 49.5, in 52 I have added 0.5. So 52.5. Now same way I have done in all. So I am writing the answers everywhere, so it comes into the continuous ratio or continuous frequency. Class interval I am making it continuous. Now moving ahead, f is already given. Now xi I am finding. So 49.5 plus 52.5 divided by 2. So I am getting 51. Same way this will be 54, 57, 60 and 63. Now third one I am taking as a. So di will be xi minus a. So 51 minus 57 means minus 6, minus 3, 0, 3 and 6. This always comes in equal gap. Now ui equal to di by h. So di is minus 6 and gap is of 3. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now fi ui, this will be minus 30, minus 110, 0, 115 and 50. So sigma fi ui, the total is coming as 25 and sigma fi total is 400. Now mean x bar will be a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. So a is 57 plus this is 25 upon 400 into 3. So 57 plus 3 divided by 16 will be equal to 57 plus 0.18, so that is 57.18. So final answer is 57. Now the question 6 says the table below shows the daily expenditure of food of 25 households in a locality. Find the mean daily expenditure of food by a suitable method. So here also I will be using the step deviation method. So finding xi will be 150 plus 100. So 250 divided by 2. So 125. Same way I will have 175, 225, 275 and 325. Now I am taking 225 as A, and now I am finding di. So di will be xi minus a. So 125 minus 225, so minus 100, minus 50, 0, 50 and 100. Now ui equal to di by h, or I can use xi minus a upon h. So this will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now fi ui will be minus 8, minus 5, 0, 2, 2. So sigma fi will be 25 and sigma fi ui will be minus 7. So now mean will be a plus, so mean equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into f. So that will be 225 plus minus 7 upon 25 into 50. So 25 ones are 25 twos are. So that comes as 225 minus 14. So that is 211. Now 7th question says to find out the concentration of SO2 in the air in parts per million, i.e. ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. Find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. So first of all I have arranged the class interval and fi. Now xi if I find, so that will be 0.02, 0.06, 0.10, 0.14, 0.18 and 0.22. Now if I use direct method fi xi, so that will be 0.08, 0.54, 0.90, 0.28, 0.72 and 0.44. And if I do sigma fi, so that is coming as 30, and if I add sigma fi ui, so that is coming 2.96. So therefore mean x bar will be sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So that will be 2.96 upon 30. So that is coming as 0.098. So mean SO2 ratio will be 0.098. Now 8th one says a class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. Now if you see here carefully, the intervals are not equal, so I am finding the xi accordingly. So here it will be 3, 8, then 12, then 17, then 24, then 33, then 39. Now I am using the direct method fi xi. So 11 threes are 33, 10 eights are 80, then 12 sevens are 84, then 68, then 96, then 99 and 39. So sigma FIUXI will be 499. So therefore mean will be sigma FIXI upon sigma FI. So that will be 499 by 40. So if I divide it, I will get 12.4. The ninth question says the following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. Now here first I have written it in the table form, that is class interval Fi. Now I am finding Xi. So Xi will be sum of the lower limit and upper limit divided by 2. So that is coming as 50. Then this is coming as 60. Then 70, 80, 90. Now I am using the UI method or step deviation. So A I have selected. Now Di equal to Xi minus A. So 50 minus 70 will be minus 20. This will be minus 10, 0, 10 and 20. Ui will be equal to Di upon H. So minus 20 upon 10. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So FIUI will be minus 6, minus 10, 0, 8 and 6. So sum will come as FIUI will be sigma FIUI will be minus 2. So mean X bar equal to A plus sigma FIUI upon sigma Fi into H. So A is 70 plus minus 2 upon 35 into 10. So that is coming 70 minus 4 by 7. So that is 70 minus 0.57. So that is coming as finally 69.43. Now exercise 13.2 question 1 says the following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode and the mean of the data given above. Compare and intercept the two measurements of central. So first let us find the mean. So class interval and Fi I have written. Now same way I am doing Xi. So 5 plus 15 divided by 2. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So 30 I am taking as A. So Di equal to Xi minus A. So 10 minus 30 will be minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. Now I am finding Ui. So Ui equal to Di by H. So minus 20 by 10. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now FIUI I am finding. So 6 into minus 2 minus 12, minus 11, 0, 23, 28 and 15. So sigma FIUI is coming as 43. Now mean will be A plus sigma FIUI upon sigma Fi into H. So that is 30 plus 43 by 80 into 10. So this is coming as 30 plus 43 by 8. So that is 35.36. Now moving to find mode. First of all I have to find the model class. So to find model class I am searching in Fi the maximum value. So maximum value is 23. So I will take this as the model class because it is forming the model class. So now mode, let me write the formula first so I know all the values. L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So here L will be the lower limit of the model class, so that is 35. F1 will be the value at which I have found the maximum repeating value, so 23. F0 will be the value above that value, so 21, and F2 will be the lower value, so 14, and H is the class length, so 10. So now putting the values, mode will be equal to 35 plus 23 minus 21 into upon 2 into 21 minus 14 minus 21. So this is into 10, so that will be 35 plus 2 upon 46 minus 35 into 10, so that is coming to 35 plus 1.81, so 36.81. So if you compare both the values are very much near to each other. The second question says the following data gives the information on the observed lifelines in hours of 225 electrical components. Determine the model lifeline of the component. So first of all, I am written it in the table form. Now if you see the Fi, the maximum value which is coming is 61. So this will be my F1. Above that it will be F0, and below that it will be F2, and model class will be 60 to 80. So I can say L equal to 60, H equal to 80 minus 60, so 20. Then F1 is 61, F0 is 52, and F2 is 38. So putting all the values in the formula, mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L is 60 plus F1. F1 is 61 minus 52 upon 2 into F1. So 61 minus 52 minus 38 into 20. So this is coming as 60 plus 9 upon 122 minus 90 into 20. So that is coming as 60 plus 9 upon 32 into 20. So 2 tens are and 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 5s are. So 9 5s are 45. So 60 plus 45 by 8. So this is coming as 60 plus 5.62. So that is coming as 65.62. Now the next question says the following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. Now writing it in the tabular form and then finding xi. So xi will be 1250, 1750, 2250, 2750, 3250, 3750, 4250, and 4750. Now let us first find the mean. So this I am taking as a. So di will be xi minus a. So that will be minus 2000, minus 1500, minus 1000, minus 500, 0, 500, 1000, and 1500. So ui will be di by h. So that is coming to -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So FIUI is coming to -96, -120, -66, -28, 0, 22, 32, and 21. So sigma FIUI is finally coming to -235. So mean will be A plus sigma Fi ui upon sigma Fi into h. So that is 3250 plus -235 upon 200 into 500. So that is coming to 3250 minus 587.5. So that is coming to 2662.5. Now for mode I have to see the maximum value in f. So maximum value is 40. So this will be my f1, this will be my f0, this will be my f2, and this will be my model class. So coming to that, L will be 1500, f1 will be 40, f2 will be 33, f0 is 24, and h is 500. So mode, so for mode L equal to 1500. So see, to find mode I will use the formula mode equal to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So I will be using L will be 1500 plus f1 is 40 minus f0 is 24 plus 2 into f1 is 40 minus f0 24 minus 33 into 500. So that is coming to 1500 plus 16 by 80 minus 57 into 500. So that is coming to 1500 plus 16 by 23 into 500. So that is 1500 plus 8000 divided by 23. So 1500 plus 347.82. So that is coming to 1847.82. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find is the mode and mean of the data. Interpret the two. Now, class interval and Fi is already given. Now let us find Xi. So Xi will be 17.5, then 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5, and 52.5. Now Di will be Xi minus A. So that is minus 15. A I have taken 32.5. The fourth value. Minus 15, minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, and 20. Ui will be equal to di upon h. So difference is of 5. So minus 15 upon 5 will be minus 3. This will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So FIUI minus 9, minus 16, minus 9, 0, 3, 0, 0 and 8. So sigma FIUI will be minus 23. So mean equal to A plus sigma FIUI upon sigma FI into H. So that is 32.5 plus minus 23 upon 35 into 5. So I have cut that both. So 32.5 minus 23 upon 7. So that will be 32.5. If I divide, it is coming 3.29. So mean came as 29.21. Now for mode I have to see in Fi the maximum value. So 10 is the maximum value. So this is the model class. So for mode L equal to 30, F1 equal to 10, F0 equal to 9, F2 equal to 3 and H equal to 5. So mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this will be 30 plus 10 minus 9 upon 9 into 10. Oh sorry, 2 into 10 minus 9 minus 3 into 5. So this will be 30 plus 1 upon 20 minus 12 into 5. So that is 30 plus 5 by 8. So that is 30 plus 0.62. So 30.6. Now fifth one says the given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket team. Find the mode. So checking here the maximum frequency. So 18 is the maximum frequency. So this will be the model class. So mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So first I have written the formula. Now L will be 4000, H will be 1000. Difference between the class interval. F1 is 18, F0 will be 4 and F2 will be 9. So putting the values 4000 plus F1 is 18 minus F0 is 4 upon 2 into 18 minus 4 minus 9 into 1000. So this is coming as 4000 plus 14 upon 36 minus 13 into 1000. So that is 4000 plus 14,000 upon 23. So that is coming as 4000 plus 608.69. So that is coming as 4608.69. Now next question says a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the table given below. Now here the maximum frequency is 20. So model class is 4250 with frequency 20. So L equal to 40, H equal to 10, F1 equal to 20, F0 will be one observation above F1, so that will be 12, and F2 is one observation below 20, so that is 11. So mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So that is 40 plus 20 minus 12 upon 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. So that is 40 plus 8 upon 40 minus 23 into 10. So that is 40 plus 80 upon 17. So that is 40 plus 4.7. So that is 44.7. Now exercise 13.3 first question says the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. So all the three he has asked me. So let us do one by one. So class interval and frequency is given for median. I will need cumulative frequency also. So let us find that 4. 4 plus 5 will be 9. 9 plus 13 will be 22. Then 42, 56, 64 and 68. So these two numbers came same. That means I am right. Now I have to find median. So median formula is L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. So now I have to find first N by 2. So N by 2 will be N upon 2. So that will be N is 68. So 68 upon 2 means 34. So 34th observation will be coming in this range. That is 42 observations one. So now, so here F will be 20. The frequency which is against the CF. CF is 42. Sorry, CF will be the one observation above the circled observation. So 22. Then L will be 125 and H will be 20. Now putting the values in the formula, median equal to 125 plus N by 2 is 34 minus CF is 22 upon F is 20 into H is 20. So 20 gone. So that will be 125 plus 12. So 137. Now to find mode, L will be 125 again, H will be 20, F1 will be 20 as maximum value is 20, F0 will be 13 and F2 will be 14. So mode L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So that will be 125 plus F1 is 20 minus F0 13 upon 2 into 20 minus 13 minus 14 into 20. So that is coming as 125 plus 7 upon 40 minus 27 into 20. So that is 125 plus 7 by 13 into 20. So that is 125 into 125 plus 140 upon 30. So 125 plus 10.76. So 136.76. 135.76. Now again to find mean, I am using class interval fi xi will be sum of both divide by 2. So 75, here it will be 95, 115, 135, 155, 175, 195. So A will be 135. Now di equal to xi minus a. So minus 60, minus 40, minus 20, 0, 20, 40 and 60. So ui will be di by h. So divide by 20. So minus 60 divided by 20 will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So FIUI minus 12, minus 10, minus 13, 0, 14, 16 and 12. So sigma FIUI will be equal to 7. So mean will be A plus sigma FIUI upon sigma FI into H. So that will be 135 plus 7 upon 68 into 20. So that is 135 plus 35 upon 70. So that is 135 plus 2.05. So that is 137. Now second question says if the median of the distribution given is 28.5, find the values of. Now class interval and f is given. So CF I am finding 5 plus x. Now 25 plus x. Now 25 plus 15 will be 40 plus x. Then 40 plus x plus y. And 40 plus 5, 45 plus x plus y. Now I am also given 45 plus x plus y equal to 60. So therefore x plus y equal to 15. So this I am giving as one number. Now as it is given total is 20, so n will be n by 2 will be 60 by 2, so that will be 30. Now median is given, so median formula I am writing first. Median is 28.5. Now 30, so 30 value will be in 25 plus x option. So here L is 20, H is 10, F is 20 and CF is 5 plus X. So putting in the formula median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So that will be 28.5. Median is given. This will be 20 plus 30 minus 5 plus x upon f is 20 into 10. So this 0 get cancelled. So I can say 28.5 minus 20. And now 2 is in divide. So I am bringing on the other side. So it is in multiplication. 30 minus 5 minus x. So this will be 8.5 into 2. So 17 equal to 25 minus x. So x equal to 25 minus 17. So 8. Now I got x equal to 8. So putting x equal to 8 in 1. 8 plus y equal to 50. So therefore y will be 15 minus 8. So y equal to 7. So I got both the x and y. The third question says a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of age of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So this is the data. Now it was told that the policies are given from 18 to 20 years, 18 to 60. So first option will be 18 to 20, then 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and 55 to 60. Now if you see carefully, it was given 100 policies are given. So here CF is given to us, so I will need to find F. So first it will be same, then 6 minus 2, so 4, then 24 minus 6, so 18, same way 21, 33, 11, 3, 6 and 2. Now if I see, the maximum value is 33. So n by 2 is given to me as 100 by 2, so 50. So 50's value will come in 78 group. So L equal to 35, TF equal to 45, F equal to 33, H equal to 5. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus TF upon F into H. So L is 35, 50 minus 45 upon 33 into 5. So this will be 35 plus, this will be 5 into 5, 25 upon 33. So that will be 35 plus 0.75. Answer will be 35.75. Then the fourth one is given, the length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured connect to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented by the following table. Find median length of the. So first I will need to make the class interval into continuous. So 0.5 on the left hand side I am subtracting, and 0.5 I am adding on the right hand side. So same way I am doing for all. So this will be 144.5, 144.5 to 153.5. 171.5 I will need CF, so CF also I am finding 3, 8, 17, 29, 34, 38 and 40. Now n is 40, so n by 2 will be 40 by 2, that is 20th observation. So 20th observation will come in this one after 17. So F is 12, L is 144.5, CF is 17 and H is 9. So putting the values in the formula, median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So that will be 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 upon 12 into 9. So 3 3s are 3, 4s are I am cutting. So this will be 144.5 plus 3 by 4 into 3. So this will be 144.5 plus 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 if I divide, I will get 2.25. So answer is coming 146.7. Now fifth question says, the following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. So find the median. So table is given, I will need to find CF. So CF will be 14, 70, 130, 216, 290, 352 and 400. value will come in this observation or this model class. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus df upon f into h. So here L is 3000, f is 86, cf is 130. So putting the values, median will be 3000 plus 200 minus 130 upon 86 into 500. So this will be 3000 plus 70 upon 86 into 500. So if I cut, I will get 43 and 250. So 3000 plus 17500 upon 43. So if I divide it, I am getting 406.9. So my answer will be 3406. Now 6 sum says 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surname was obtained as follows. Determine the median number of letters as the surname. Find the mean number of letters in the surname. Also find the model size. Now to find mean, first of all I will need xi. So to get xi, I am adding 1 plus 4. So 5 divided by 2. So 2.5, this will be 5.5, 8.5, 11.5, 14.5 and 17.5. Now 8.5 I am taking as a. So di will be equal to xi minus a. So minus x minus 3, 0, 3, 6 and 9. So ui will be equal to di by h. So minus 6 by 3. So it will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So fi ui will be 6 into 2 minus 12, minus 30, 0, 16, 8 and 12. So sigma fi ui is coming as minus 6. So mean equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. So that is equal to 8.5 plus minus 6 upon 100 into 3. So 8.5 minus 18 upon 100. So 18 upon 100 will be 0.18. So that is 8. So that will be 8.32. Now for median, I need class interval and f. So see, class interval and f, maximum value is 40. So I will take this. So there L will be 7, n by 2 will be 50, cf will be 36 and f is 40 and h is 3. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus cf upon f into h. So 7 plus 50 minus 36 upon 40 into 3. So that is 7 plus 14 upon 40 into 3. So 7 and 20. So 7 plus 21 upon 20. So 7 plus 1.05. So that is coming as 8.05. Now for mode, formula is L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2. So into h. So this will be 7 plus 40 minus 30 upon 2 into 40. So 80 minus 30 minus 16 into h is 3. So 7 plus 30 by 34. So that is coming 7 plus 0.8. So 7. Now 7th question says the distribution below gives the weight of 30 students of a class. Find the mean weight of the. Now table is given to me, so I will need to find CF first. So 2, 5 plus 8 will be 13, then 19, 19 plus 6, 25, 25 plus 3, 28, 28 plus 2, 30. So now n is 30, so n equal to 30. So n by 2 will be equal to 15. So 15th observation will be in this median class. So now I am putting median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So L is 55, n by 2 is 15 minus CF is 13 and F is 6 into H is 5. So this will be 55 plus 2 by 3 into 5. Sorry, 2 by 6 it will be. 2 by 6 into 5. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So this will be 55 plus 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 if I find, it will be 1.67. So this will be 56.67.